Ayan, bumili tayo ng shirataki, tsaka kizami, para may gulay tayo sa ating obento. Tapos ito yung mga beans. Pwede naman siya kahit saan nyo ilagay. Sa salad. Ito kahit naman saan siya pwede naman. Hindi lang naman siya sa salad. Para may beans tayo. Kasi hindi ako kumakain ng mga beans. Try natin yan. Hi po! Yan, mag-start na tayong maglagay ng ating diet meal plan. Obento box. Maganda raw ito kasing lalagyan para sealed na sealed. Kaya ito yung binili natin. Okay. Gawa muna tayo ng salad. Lagyan daw ng olive oil. Tapos, lagyan natin ng lemon. Itong lemon natin, ipiniga na natin yan. Kasi sa yung juicing namin. Kaya lagyan na natin ng quinoa rice. Mga ganito lang.
Kalabasa. Ang sarap ng ganyan siguro. Malalaki naman.
May chicken pa ako, kaya lang sa salad to. Yung purong, minsan kasi pagka sa gabi, salad lang ako. Kaya ito yung toppings ko. Ito pa nga, gumawa ako ng broccoli. At saka ito dapat sa toppings dun sa quinoa. Dun sa kanin. Kaya lang, wala na tayong paglagyan. Try muna natin yan kung sobrang bigat na yan sa tiyan, sa pagkain. Kasi parang Magaang lang naman siya. Kasi ginawa na nating half cup yung rice. Tama ba yung pronounce ko? Quinoa. Ganun kasi yung sabi. At marami tayong gulay. Pang 6 days na yan. Ano pa yung nakalimutan ko? Yung salad ko dun sa kamatis. Yung kamatis, hindi ko na nalagay dito sa salad. Ayan na siya. First try. Yung shirataki. Para siyang pansit. Masarap. Tinikman-tikman ko na kasi siya. Ayan lang. Pasensya na kayo sa fish ko. Nadurog ko. Ang lambot kasi. Ito naman yung hipon. Kahit naman ano pwede. Ayan. Tignan natin pagka parang napakarami. Oh. No? So next time babawasan natin. Okay. Try natin yung takip. Try natin kung maganda nga ang pagkakatakip. Oo. Mukhang silog na silog nga. Oo. Maganda. Maganda nga. Hindi kasi kumakain si Habi ng ganyan eh. Kaya yung pagkain niya, iba sa pagkain ko. Hindi siya kumakain ng gulay, hindi siya kumakain ng kanin, ng isda, salad minsan lang. O kaya, bukod yung pagkain niya. Kaya ngayong gabi, iluluto ko pa siya ng sarsyado. Tapos bukas spare ribs. Ganun yung mga gusto niya. Kaya ako ito. Yan. Healthy, diba? Thank you po. Gusto raw niyang makita yung ginawa ko. Look. You can eat that?
No, ma'am. That's fishy stuff.
Naku,
Looks like salmon.
sealed na sealed. Oh,
That looks like shrimp.
yeah.
Mostly everything else I can eat. Like that. But that, no.
But not every day. That is my everyday.
Every day, quinoa
So,
and egg and beans and pumpkin and is that potato?
yeah, you can eat potato,
Potato, carrot,
carrots.
spinach.
Yeah, you can eat them all.
If you had all that and like little pieces of steak, I can eat it.
Oh, okay.
Or even little hot dogs or, you know,
Not good hot
just nothing
dog.
with fish.
Yeah. I make you different food for you.
Yes. My dinners are different because I am not a fishy person and I don't want the rice really. I'm not really a big fan.
Yeah, it's cute. I don't eat beans, so I try the Japanese one.
I eat beans. I like beans.
Yeah, I have many extra for you. There.
Yeah,
And
I
they're
like
here.
beans.
And the Horenzo and that. All of them.
What kind of
You
beans
can
is
eat
this?
that.
Looks like
Garbanzos.
it's not navy bean. Yeah, those are kidney beans, like I put in chili.
Kidney.
Yeah, we call them red kidney beans. These look like
Alam na alam
soybeans or lima beans. But yeah, these are good.
Yeah.
These here,
Yep. You have many extra for
I
you.
like those.
But this is for...
And this here pumpkin, I
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. of extra horenzo.
You have a lot of
spinach.
little fishies there you didn't use, though.
Yeah, many. The broccoli too. So I said, okay, next time, because it's look like so many already.
So is this like a lunch every day, or is this like a dinner every day, or is it lunch and dinner like that?
Maybe lunch and dinner.
Okay.
Because I don't eat rice dinner, diba? Ang lunch and dinner ko siya sa isang ganito.
You have many. 6 right here. So that's 3 days, lunch and dinner.
No, this is only one for lunch and dinner.
Huh? I thought it was like lunch, dinner.
No, this one because.
So that's all you're going to eat for the whole day?
Yeah, in one day.
Not me. I'd be too hungry.
Alam,
2 days old food? No thanks.
well, 2 all days food ayaw na niya. Katulad nito, diba? So, ito 6 days. Hindi naman nasisira, lalo na pagka naka-sealed na ganyan. Sa kanya, kahit naka-freezer na, hindi niya na yung kakainin. Hi! Thank you po! So, now I will cook your dinner.
But I know how to make you cheat.
What?
I just say something like, can you make me adobo? And then you make me adobo, and you're going to eat this, but then you smell the adobo, and you're like, adobo, fresh rice. It's my cheat day.
No. Let's see. Okay. Thank you po.
Thank you, Paul.
And syempre, meron tayong fruits. Araw yata ng mga strawberry yung ngayon kasi napakaraming strawberry sa supermarket. Hindi na natin hihiwain kasi mangingitim. Pagkakainin na lang, saka na lang hihiwain.